Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, we're going to talk about what types of media are good to film on 8 and 16 millimeter. Well, I could say just about the sky's the limit and anything, but let's be more specific. More importantly, experimental horror, underground films, independent films, and documentaries are really prime, especially music videos, as much of the format of 8 and 16 millimeter are silent. You can add the audio in later. Now, as far as I'm concerned with experimental and underground horror, what I got to see many years ago, back in 1974, was this film, Beyond the Door. And it is a prime example of the way I like to make my films look like. Trash. Totally like garbage as far as the bucket processing is concerned. So this is something to really think about. When you're using 8 and 16 millimeter, you don't need to add overlays to your film. All the pops and scratches and blurredness, out of focus, distorting a video in color will all be there of your creation. If you want it to look crisp and clear, you can do that too. So those are all the positives of shooting on 8 and 16 millimeter. So I hope you've enjoyed my video on what type of media is good to shoot on 8 and 16 millimeter. Do subscribe to my channel on YouTube and put a like on my videos. And remember, I like my films, my experimental films, to look like trash. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.